Hello everybody, this is Chico. In this hangout, I'm going to do the part number 1 of homework 2, a class that I'm taking online. The name of the class is Engineering Software as a Service. It is a course offered by the EDX platform. So if you haven't seen the previous hangouts or videos, all I'm going to do is share my screen and well, I will try to comment what I do. So yeah, I'm going to share the screen. I'm running on my computer a virtual machine, the virtual machine that you can find in the course book. So I'm going to share that with you right now. Let's see. That's this one. Yeah, sure. You should be. Let's see. You should be able to watch my screen right now. Let me check if it's working. And let's see. No, let's see. There's something wrong. This. See if I can fix it. Okay, now you should be seeing the screen of the virtual machine. And yeah, okay. Okay, so let's start. Before you start the first part, you should set the assignment skeleton with these commands. I already did this. You should have created a Heroku account and in deploying this assignment skeleton and all that. And I already did this, and this is the local host, and this is the app running on Heroku. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so for the part 1, let's see. It says sorting the list of all movies. In XRP in the following way. On the list of all movies page, the column headings for movie title and release date for a movie should be clickable links. Clicking one of them should cause the list to be reloaded but sorted in ascending order or on that column. For example, clicking the release date column heading should display the list of movies with the earliest released movie first, and clicking the title field should list the movies alphabetically by title. For movies whose names begin with non-letters, the sort order should match the behavior of string. Okay. Important for grading purposes. The link that is the A tag for sorting. Okay. By title should have the HTML element ID title header, and the link for sorting by release date should have the HTML element ID release date header. The table containing the list of movies should have the HTML element ID movies, and this has already been set for you by existing code. If you use the version of RP included in this report, so we should have a problem with that. When the listing page is redisplayed with sorting on a column enabled, the column header that was selected for sorting should appear with a yellow background as shown below. You should do this by setting controller variables that are used to conditionally set the CSS class of the appropriate table heading to highlight. And pasting this simple CSS into routable tables. CSS file. Okay, so let's start with adding that CSS. For adding that CSS code. So let's see. Let's open. Okay, so here's red info. The CSS file is in, I don't remember, in app views, I think. Yeah, nav assets and style sheets. Okay. And at the end, we should add this CSS code. So let's see. So it should be table movie page type highlight background color yellow. Okay. The result should look something like this. Hints and keywords. The current model of views use the rails provided versus roads of movies pass to generate a correct URI from movies index page. You may find it helpful to know that if you pass this helper method a hash of additional parameters, those parameters will be parsed by rails and available in the params. Databases are pretty good at running collections of raw in sorted order according to one of them. Okay, don't put code in your views. The view should have the sort collection itself. Okay. Let's see. How do we do this? Okay, let's start with let's start with movies controller. Let's see what can we do there. Movies controller. So we need to so it's the index method. Instead of just asking for all the movies, we should expect to receive all movies ordered by and let's create this sort. It should be also sorted by, so we don't need this anymore. And of course, we also have to change the views. So let's go to the index view. So we will need this title. Instead, we're going to use let's see. I'm gonna leave this up so we can watch the like that. Okay. Highlight, which is what we just added here. Should be highlighted in the source column equals title. So otherwise it shouldn't be green and yellow. So close this and this, and this is gonna be linked to let's see, movie title. Yeah, I just need to add this title, and then movie's path will be sorted by title. And the ID will be the one ID that they suggest us here, where it is, here it is, title header. Okay, that should work for, let's see. Oh, that's, and then let's copy this into movie instead of release date. Okay. And the only thing we need to change here is this, instead of title, it should be release date. Link to release date, and pass the ID. Again, let's go here. It's the ID, it's going to be this one. Release date header. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, I'm sorry, it was not localhost. Oh, we have a. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Looks like link to movie. Let's see. Okay, it's class highlight sort column equals title. This equals link to movie title, movie path, sort by title, then ID, title header. Okay, I don't think it's just this space. Let's see. Okay, so we should click in here and it should become yellow. And it is not working. Let's see, this controller. We are movies equals find full order. We have parameters of bind and so column equals parameters of bind. And let's make this. See table. Yeah, it should be plural. Table movies. Yeah, table movies. TH highlight and background color. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now it's sorted like that. Still doesn't work on the release date. Let's see. Image class highlight if the code equals release date. This equals link to release date and movies. Sort by this should also be release date. Okay, now it should work. And that's it. So we click on movie title, release date, and it is sorted. Okay. It says you will submit the code for this part after you deploy on Heroku and when you supply your Heroku deployment URI in part 3. However, do ensure that you commit all changes you have made so far to Git and deploy them to Heroku and check that they work in Heroku before moving to the next section. Okay, so let's do this commit. Tab. Command to part 1 complete. and the IT push Heroku master. Okay, let's see in the Heroku app. Let's click on movie title, release date. Okay, so it's working. I'm gonna here submit URL pairing video. Okay, so let's see what's the link of this video. Let's check. Okay, please consider this part of the assignment optional. That you can information about the session for the decision can be yourself and so on the assignment. Okay. Okay, so that's all for part number 1. Yes, again. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I will make sure I will be posting the links to the source code that I have been using for this hangout. If not, feel free to comment or yeah, contact me, and I'll send you the files. You can see the link of my blog right in this video, blog.chicofficial.com. You can check them for more of my activities. And so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. And bye.